Last session we had a clear discussion about I hope you people may remember we discussed very clearly about such css selectors. What are various basic css selectors are there, advanced css selectors are there, we covered already. Sir, basic and advanced selectors we covered already, right? Sir, have you remembered which are basic selectors? Which are basic selectors? Anyone, can you please guide? What are basic selectors, right? Three basic selectors. What is the first one? Element selectors. Next, and after that, id selectors. Next, class selectors. So these three are basic. Next, which are advanced selectors, right? Yes, we covered already advanced selectors. Star selector. Next, and after the descendant selector. Next, adjacent selector. Are you getting? Adjacent selector. Okay, like adjacent. Next, attribute selector. Next, nth or type selector. Like this we covered already these five selectors, right? Almost around 5 plus 3 8 selectors we covered. Even I discussed about one small example also. Yes, have you remembered assignment? I hope you downloaded that assignment, right? You downloaded that assignment from the drive. I shared already drive link yesterday. After completing the class, I uploaded already, sir, in that assignment css styles assignment 1, like this, right? Sir, now my next point is just a few minutes. Let me go for one small assignment, matter of 5 to 10 minutes. I won't take much time, and then we will continue next topic, sir. Don't worry about that, sir. Here just already everything is already there. Okay, everything is already there, sir. But don't you are not required to worry about css, sir. I have css demos. In that I created one assignment 2.html, right? This is my assignment 2.html, right? Sir, of course my assignment 2.css, no, nothing is there in the css file, sir. Here just only assignment 2.html is there, sir. Now the point here is, take a bit very special care, sir. What code is there inside this one? Do you know this is the body, sir? I have this is the para, sir. First para. Regarding, just have a look once. Nothing is there, sir. Yes. uh, uh, yes, Surya, correct, sir. Here this is the para of outside of div. Okay, like this, sir. Now just I have one para is there, sir. Em tag. Can I spell out what is the purpose of em? Somewhere I covered in the html. Italic, like this, right? Italic tag. Emphasis, not embedded. Italic. Okay, emphasis, like. So now div tag is there. First div tag. Inside the div tag, yes, first para, second para, third para. There are total 3 paras are available inside first div tag. Okay, next, in the second div tag also same thing by default will be there. In the third div tag also same thing by default will be there, sir. Okay, next, last one, sir. This is the para outside of div. Regarding, this is the para outside of div, sir. What I took, nothing is there. Just I didn't take much thing. Don't worry about this one, sir. Okay, so just I didn't take much thing. Just within the body tag, I took one paragraph tag. Okay, paragraph. And then I took one div tag. Within the first para I took second para, like this. And then end of this div tag, right? Okay, end of this div tag, sir. Like this I took 3 div tags, sir. First div, second div, third div. And then at last one more para I took. Next, end of the body. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Just for your simplicity purpose I'm taking. Nothing is there, sir. Total, have you observed how here how many div tags are available? Yes, three div tags are there. Yes, Surya, in the code already I completed. Just for basic idea purpose I'm telling, these are the tags I took. Okay, like, just 1 minute. There are 1 or 2 members are new members today only, they are attending. How many people are today is your first session? Can you please? Surya, any other person? Today is my first session. Sanket, you are also today is the first session. Okay, what about any other? Anji, Yes, so then how you can manage all the remaining classes? Almost around 11 sessions completed. Okay, 11 sessions already completed. Yes, all the sessions whatever I took up to today, up to yesterday, we added already in the YouTube. I hope you people already saw that. Yeah, Sunny. Next, all the people who are new. Okay, just we uploaded already. We uploaded already there. Just 1 minute. Can you please go through? Yes, your playlist. Are you seeing anywhere Django? Yes. Here have you observed, right? This is the Django. Blue color. Yes. Can you please? This is the link, sir. All the sessions we uploaded in the YouTube. Just please go through that. 11 sessions we completed, sir, from day 1 onwards. Yes, this is the link. You can save this link and then go through that. The new members, you may get completely or may not get completely. Don't worry about that. Just if you refer these things, then automatically you can able to get. Anyway, like yes, just take 1 or 2 days time. Just go through these things, then you can able to get very clearly. I don't think it is a very what we call difficult topic. It's a very easy kids level, nursery level things, right? Okay, now just the drive link also, please. Okay, sir, there are some examples I shared with the drive. Okay, in the drive, just you can take this, you can save this drive link also. Yes, Malaya, thank you. Drive link also, just in that our assignment examples, whatever programs we did in this, those are things by default there in that. Okay, that's all the members. Can you please save these two things so that your life will become very easy? Okay, well, man. Now, I hope you people are able to understand clearly. Sir, this is the P and then first div, second div, and then third div, like this, right? Sir, total 3 div tags are there. Within the div tag, in every div tag, 3 paras are available, right? But in every para, I used some EM tag also. Okay, just observe that. I used some EM tag also, right? That's all. So, how it looks like? How it looks like, sir? Just let me open in the browser. Let me open in the browser, sir. Okay, have a look once. This is the data. This is the thing, sir. Sir, have you observed? Can you please have a look once? Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, this is, have you observed, right? This is the outside of para. Yes, this is the outside of para. Next and after that EM tag inside first div. Just this is my normal text data. Are you getting? This is EM tag inside first div, EM tag inside first div, first div. Next, this is the second div related. This is the third div related. At last, this is outside. Okay, something is there, sir. This is about my HTML content. Now I want to talk about multiple cases related to this one, sir. Okay, multiple cases related to this. I want to talk. Just observe that, sir. Case 1. Okay, legend this one, sir. Sir, I want the style is make all piece. Are you getting? Make all piece, all paragraphs that are nested inside, that are nested inside div, that are nested inside divs with 25 pixel font size. This is about my requirement, right? 25 pixel font size. Okay, like what it is asking is, can you please sir, make font size as 25 pixels for all the paragraph tags which are present inside div, div means. Now have a look once, sir. Here how many things are there inside a div? Sir, first div 3 paragraphs, second div 3 paragraphs, third div 3 paragraphs. If you observe that, have you observed this is the paragraph inside first div? 3 paragraphs are there. This is the paragraph inside second div. This is the paragraph inside third div. 3 paragraphs are there like this. So in all the divs which are nested inside, except the first and the last, all the paragraphs which are present inside div tag, can you please make font size as 25? This is about my requirement, right? Can you please guide? Yes, what is the way, sir? Please guide. What is the way, sir? In this case, which selector we require to use? Descendant selector we require to use. Correct or not? Parent and child. Descendant selector we require to use. Sir, parent is the div. Next and after that, child is the p, sir. Parent is the div. So for every paragraph tag present inside the div tag, what you want? Okay, font size. How many pixels you require, sir? 25 pixel I want. Are you getting 25 pixel I want, sir? Now take a bit very special care about this one. Very special care about this. Yes, observe. Yes, all the remaining things. Have you observed, right? I hope you people are in a position to understand, right? Sir, are you able to see? Sir, this is all. This is the paragraph inside, except this, the first and the last, all the paragraphs automatically 25 pixel size came. Perfect, sir. Okay. Now my case 2. Sir, any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Yes, ma'am. Any doubt about this one? Okay. Well, that's all. Let me document material sake. Let me copy paste in my sir here. Okay. Well, now my second case, sir. Listen a bit very carefully, sir. What is my second case is, sir, give all piece inside third div blue background. Have you observed? Give all piece inside third div. Oh, inside third div, not in every div, sir. Inside third div, blue background. Okay, background color is blue, and text color is text color is white. This is about my requirement, right? Are you getting? So can you please all piece in the third div blue background and the text color is white, like this, right? Yes, anyone, can you please tell? One thing, Surya, one thing you have to take, we are not allowed to change anything inside HTML, because everything we require to do with respect to CSS only. Here no ID, no class, like this, right? Okay, already someone provided this HTML. For this I want to add colors, I want to add the styles. Sir, have you observed? Give all piece inside third div means it is also okay. All divs inside third div means it is also descendant selector. But you are talking about third div. That's why it is nth of type. Now if I can take div p, listen a bit very carefully, sir. Div p. Next background blue color I want. Next text color white I want, sir. Now take a bit very special care. If I can take like this, for all piece it is applicable. No. For the piece which are present inside third div, that's why, oh, a particular div you are talking, then obviously we should go for nth of type. Are you getting? Nth of type. Sir, which div? Div colon, which div, sir? Div colon nth of type. Nth of type 3. Observe the div colon nth of type 3. Observe carefully, sir. For every paragraph in this div, which divs are of type third div, in every third div, all paragraph background color should be blue and the text color should be white. This is about my requirement, right? Okay, nth of type and the descendant, both the things we are using parallelly. Have a look once. Okay, let me cross check. Is it going to be affected or not? All paragraphs present inside third div only. Okay, perfect. Are you getting? Sir, these pair are inside third div, like this, right? First div, third div, okay? Like only third div, background color will become, sir, blue and the text color will become white. Perfect. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? How you can able to recognize third div, Sanket? This is the syntax. This one. Okay, the next case 3. What is the third one, sir? Sir, now give second p inside the third div. A, sir, here give second p inside the third div. Are you getting right? Inside the third div. Oh, so inside the third div, second p. What I want to take, sir, my requirement is, so a 5px, a 5px 5 pixel red solid border, this is about my requirement, right? Are you getting? 5px red solid border, this is the requirement. So for second p inside third div, here observe div p. Next, which border you want, son? Border is 5px. Next, and after that red solid border I want, right? Now, sir, which p, sir? Which p? Sir, not every p, not every p, sir. So this p second p. That's why p colon nth of type. P colon nth of type 2. Oh, it is applicable only for second p. Sir, for every second p in the div you want, or only in the third div? Only in the third div I want. Only in the third div I want. That's why div colon nth of type 3. Well, wonderful. See this one. So for every second paragraph present inside the third div, give the red border, red color 5px solid border. This is about my requirement, right? Okay. Now take a bit special care. Let me, sir, inside this. Now have a look once. So for every second paragraph present inside third div. Now observe that. Is it going to be affected or not? Yes, perfect. Inside third div, only for second paragraph. This style by default came. Clear, right? Yes. Any doubt about this one? Okay, because all these things already we discussed in detail in the last sessions. New members, you people may feel a bit difficult. Don't worry, just once you are covering the previous videos, automatically you can able to understand. Okay, well, next there is one more small thing I have to take, sir. What is the next thing is make em tag. Are you getting? Make sir, em tag, because em tag is available everywhere, sir. Em tag available here also. Em tag is there. Em tag is there. Em tag is there. Even it is also em only. Em means italic, sir. Italic data. Emphasis tag meant for italic. If you want, you can consider. Em everywhere. In every paragraph I use em, sir. Now my question is, observe that carefully, sir. So make em tag in the second div. Make em tag in the second div. Observe that. Make em tag in the second div with white color, white color. So 30 pixel with white color 30 pixel font size. Oh, this data you have to display with the white color 30 pix font size and green background. Okay, observe that background color should be green. Next, and after that text color should be white and 30 pixel size I want, sir. Then automatically here see, make em tag in the second div. What I have to take? Div em. div em. So the em present inside div, which one you want, sir? Okay, color is 30 pixel, sir. Color is white, text color should be white, sir. Next, font size, how much font size you are going to take? 30 pixel font size. Excellent. Next, what is the next one, sir? Background I want green, sir. Regarding background I want green. But if I can take like this, if I can take like this, sir, this for every em present inside div, automatically it's applicable, sir. For every em present inside div, automatically it's applicable. No, I want only for em present inside second div. That's why div colon nth of type, 2, sir. Nth of type 2, sir. Only for second, only for the second div, sir. This one is applicable only for. So every em present inside the second div, sir, can you please make a text color as white with the 30 pixel font size, and the background should be green? Is it going to be applicable or not? Observe carefully, sir. Let me take, okay, let me observe, sir. In the second paragraph, in paragraph, in every em tag, okay, the here em is there, here also em is there, here also em is there, sir. Now can you please cross check? Are you getting? So in the second paragraph only, okay, these type of selectors also you people should be aware. Adjacent selectors, descendant selectors, nth of type selectors, attribute selectors, like these things we should use. Correct? Yes, Malaya. Yes, it's applicable. It's valid. Same. So this is what you people should aware, sir. This is one more example. What you should just practice this example. Anyway, just I will share this one in the drive. Don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about this example. I will save in the drive. Next thing what we have to discuss, but anyway, sir, here just but anyway, we discussed about the styles. Now you are very perfect with respect to the styles, sir. Sir, next chota concept is there. Let me talk about that concept, sir. Very important, sir. Fonts and sir, here just observe that we are going to use fonts and text in css. Fonts and text in css. How, sir? I want to choose a particular font. Okay, I want to choose a particular font. How you can able to do that? Okay, so from the Google, I want to use external fonts. What are various possibilities are there? These things we have to talk about that. Okay, next, sir, what the related to these fonts, there are some important properties are there, sir. These properties compulsory you people should aware. What is the first property? Font family. Just observe that, sir. This font belongs to which family? Font family. Second property, sir, font size. Luckily we used this one without discussion in our previous examples regarding font size. Third one, sir, font weight. Regarding font weight, it is all these are attributes, all these are properties, right? Next, font weight. Next, sir, line height. Line height, what it means, I will discuss all these things in detail, sir. Line height, like line height. Okay, next, fifth one, sir, text align. Yes, we used somewhere this one also, text align. Next, sir, text decoration. Okay, like, so first we have to talk about these things with the default fonts, and then we will talk about with the external fonts. Remember these ones, with respect to the fonts under text, these are the things must be required. Observe that, sir, this text, which font family, what is the size of this font, 25 pixel or 30 pixel, like this, right? Font weight, regarding font weight, like font weight. Next, line height, text align, text decoration, What the meaning of these things I will discuss in detail. These properties compulsory you people should aware internally, right? Sir, let me talk about font family first. Are you getting? Just let me talk about font family, sir. Sir, what it means? Remember this. What is the meaning of font family? Something like, sir, which font you are using? Arial, Times New Roman. Like, have you heard that your childhood onwards, right? Sir, while documenting in our Word file also, sir, most of the times, which font you are going to choose? That font itself is nothing but font family, sir. Font family, Arial, black, like we are going to use, right? That thing is by default considered as sir, font family. Times New Roman, like multiple fonts are available, right? Sir, for the CSS, from where you will select the fonts? From where we are going to select the fonts, right? There is one website is there, sir. Just what is that website here? CSS fontstack.com. Regarding fontstack.com, sir. Okay, just let me open this one. It's already there. Just I checked. Yes, observe that CSS fontstack.com. Okay, that's all, sir. Now these are various fonts what we have. Observe that Arial black, Arial, next Arial narrow, next and after that, sir, here, Kandara, like, so these are various fonts what we have. Impact, Lucida, like, these are various fonts, right? Okay, font family. Happily you can able to specify, no problem at all. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Yes, man. Just what you have to take, how you can able to use that part, I will take care. Don't worry, sir. Sir, best example, let me go for a small demo program. Here, just a demo.html is there, demo.css also there, sir. Just I'm taking demo.html. Okay, here, just assume that I have some data is there, sir. I have some data is there, sir. H1 data, sir. This is heading 1. This is the heading. Next, and after that, some paragraph also I want to take, sir. What I'm going to take, sir? Paragraph. What I'm going to take? Some, sir, some lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum is nothing but it's going to generate some dummy data, sir. Lorem ipsum paragraph dummy data by default is going to generate. Now my requirement is here. Just observe total body for all text. I want to use a font family. Regarding font, have you observed font size, font style, font weight, font family? What font family I'm going to take, sir? Here, can you please tell which font family you require? Arial black, impact. Next and after that, like this we have. Okay, sir. Let me select this one. Regarding, let me select this one. Okay, here like this. I'm just that's all. Font family, right? Now here, just have a look once. Demo.html. Let me open this demo.html, sir. How it looks like. Demo.html. Yes, sir, that's all. That font by default is going to be reflected. This is the font, sir. Okay, remember which font we selected, right? Here, just observe that which font we selected, this one. So that's why the output is always something like this style only. Suppose assume that impact I want to use, right? Impact I want to use. If you are going to use impact, can you please observe? I don't want this font family. Impact family I want. Then automatically observe the output, how it looks like, sir. Are you getting right? This is the impact. This is like this. Which font, whatever font you require, how you can able to set, sir? Just this is. Yes, it will work offline only. Just I'm selecting only from here. Okay, it is going to work offline. Yes, only name you have to specify. My CSS HTML can able to recognize that. Okay, that's all. So this is about font family. Clear, right? Any doubt? Everyone got clarity? What is the meaning of font family? Next, what is the next meaning? Font size. Regarding font size means, sir, just here one small extra thing you require to aware, sir. Which size you require for the font? Which size you require for the font? That is the second one, sir. Font size. I want to take font size, right? Sir, how much? What size you require? Something like so. H1 or otherwise H1. If you consider that, if you consider, sir, my paragraph, this one is not that much good. I want to make the size as some 30, the size as some 40. Paragraph font size I want to make as some 30, something like this, right? How you can able to do that? Yes, H1 or otherwise paragraph tag, font size 30 pixel I'm taking, sir. 30 pixel I'm taking. Yes, that's all. Now take a bit very special care, sir. Very special care. Automatically 30 pixel by default is going to come. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Are you getting right? So that's all. This is font size because we used it already, right? Now there is one specialty there, sir. That one you people should be aware. Just I took paragraph, font size, font size. Okay, like 30 pixel I took, sir. 30 pixel I took. 50 pixel. Any value you want, you can able to take, sir. Sir, I'm taking. Legend this one. Very important, sir. I'm taking 2.0 EM. What is the meaning of this one? 2.0 EM. EM I'm taking. What it means? Sir, 30 pixel, 20 pixel, 5 pixel, everyone aware. What is the meaning of 2.0 EM? Okay, well, EM means Italica. Oi, Priya Sony. No. EM tag means that is italic emphasis, but here it is a different. What's the meaning of that? Good. Sir, here this EM unit means dynamic font. EM unit means dynamic font. Okay, which is also known as relative font. Relative font. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Now my question is, this P tag present inside which tag? Can you please tell in our HTML? This P tag present inside which tag in our HTML? Can you please tell? This P tag present inside present inside which tag? Body tag. Sir, for body tag, how much font is there? Now this P tag font will become double font. Remember this one. For body tag, how much font is there? This one will become double font. Double of regular data. Remember this one. That's all. Okay. Double font. Okay. How you can able to check, sir? 1 minute. What I want to take is now let me take here instead of that 2.0 EM I'm taking, sir. EM I'm taking. Then automatically, sir, it will be double. Observe that it will be doubled than body font. It will double than body font. Sir, now let me increase body font. Sir, font size 1 minute. What you can able to do is, let me take for easy understanding purpose, let me take one EM tag so that you can able to understand very easily, sir. Sir, here I'm taking span tag or EM span tag I'm taking, sir. Now take a bit very special care. I'm taking span tag, right? Now here see this one. This span whatever there, this data will be double of this parent tag. This data will be double size of the parent tag. Which is the parent tag for this span? Which is the parent of this span? Okay, parent of this span is P. Okay, well, now listen this one, sir. I want to keep, I don't want to keep any font size for the paragraph. Leave that. Okay, now I'm taking span font size is 2.0 EM. That only that particular span, okay, data will be double of normal parent tag data. Now you can able to see, sir. Observe that carefully. 1 minute. This demo.html not saved. Okay, now have a look once. Sir, this is the normal, but this is the double, but this one is the double, sir. Remember this one is the double. Now my question is, now I want to increase font size of body. If it is going to be increases, automatically this one is also going to be increases, right? If you want, you can cross check. Now what I'm taking here, body parent, sir, paragraph Here font size I'm taking, font size I'm taking. Here is some 50 pixel I'm taking, sir. Observe that. If a paragraph font size is 50 pixel, automatically span font size will become 100 pixel, right? Remember that. It is relevant to parent. Who is the relevant? Sir, which is the parent, sir? Parent is the P tag. Remember that. Parent itself is the P tag. That's why now observe this. Observe carefully, sir. If you can increase, here see, sir, this one increases, normal is increases, automatically span will become double of normal. Okay, relative font, dynamic font itself is nothing but like this one. Sometimes what will happen, some text I want to highlight with bigger font, then don't specify how much bigger, some 30 pixel, 40 pixel and so on, just relative to parent you can able to specify. Such type of unit is nothing but em unit. Everyone got clearly? Everyone got clearly, right? What is the meaning of em unit? Em unit is nothing but relative to parent tag, so that much percentage. 3 means 3 times, 4 means 4 times, 1.5 means 1.5 times, like this, right? That's all. This is one new thing what you should aware. This is the font size, right? Next, what is the meaning of font weight? Anyone having the idea? Font weight, sir. What is the meaning of font weight? Yes, ma'am. Font weight, what it means? Anyone having the idea? Font weight. More weight, man. This font is the very weight of this font is very high. What it means, right? Sometimes you may heard about bold font, light font, like this, right? Arish, you can take 1.5 also, no problem. 1.5 you can take, 0.1 you can take, any number you can able to take, don't worry. Sir, 1 minute. Still some people are having the problem. 1 minute. Sir, here instead of 2.0, I'm taking 0.5. 0.5 of em. What it means? Anyone can you please tell what it means? Span is half of the parent. Now observe that. Yes, here parent is this, but span is nothing but half. Correct. You can able to take 0.5, 1.5, anything, no problem at all. That is the relative. Now, what is the meaning of font weight, sir? Font weight means sometimes you may heard about bold font, light font, something like, okay? Such type of thing is nothing but font weight. Remember this one, font weight. Sir, the allowed values are, 1 minute, let me take for within the body, font weight I'm taking, sir. Font weight I'm taking. Sir, what are various allowed values? Can you please cross check, sir? Bold is allowed, bold font is allowed, lighter is allowed, normal is allowed. Next one after that 100, 200, 300 up to 900. Remember this one, 100, 200 up to 900 is allowed, bold. Sir, 900 means bold, sir. 900 means too much bold. 100 means too much light. Remember, so it is allowed values are 100. Here just 100 to 900 is allowed. 900 means too much bold. Are getting too much bold, sir. Very strong weight. Okay. Next 100 means too much light. Are you getting right? Just I hope you can able to understand my words. Now have a look once for body. Font weight I'm taking that. Sir, instead of impact, let me change the font. Impact seems to be very dark. Let me take Arial black. Arial black I'm taking, sir. Here Arial black. Font weight. Sir, what are various allowed values are there, sir? Font weight. What are various allowed values? Bold font I want to take, sir. Bold I'm taking. Now observe that. Let me remove this, all this nonsense. I don't want like this. Okay. Now see this one. Observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. That's all. This is bold font I'm taking, sir. Sir, if I can take 100 font weight, I'm taking 100, sir. If I can take 100, what will happen? Can you please have a look once? 100. No difference. It should reflect. If I can take, 100 pixel. No difference. It should reflect 900. Sorry, some 400 I'm taking. Some 400 I'm taking. If I can take 400, no. 1 minute. Am I doing any mistake? No. It's not reflecting the values. Don't worry about that, sir. If I can take instead of bolder, lighter I'm taking. At least now it's going to be reflected or not. Lighter I'm taking, sir. Oh, Arial block. Arial block. No, pixel is not required. Arial block. Arial block is. Let me take normal Arial. Then you can able to see. It's already block you are taking, right? That may be. Good. Good. There is something. Sir, now what is the lighter I'm taking? Instead of lighter, bold if I can take. Bold if I can take. Can you please observe? Yes. Good. Bold is reflecting. Next, if I can take 100. If I can take 100, what will happen? Have you observed too much light? 100. If I can take. If I can take 500. 500. 500. Yes, a bit dark. If I can take 900. 900. Yes, are you seeing right? More dark, more dark. That's all. So this is nothing but font weight. Any different? Any doubt? Yes, that's all. Next, fourth ones are line height. Line height. What is the meaning of this one? Yes, you know already. Line weight. You know right. Line height means what is the height of the line? Means line to line, how much separation you want. In our what we call word 1.5, one line space, 1.5 lines height, line height means do you know the space between two lines is called line height. How much space is there between two lines is called, okay, like this. Suppose I have paragraph is there. Here default is 1, I hope. Okay, now what I want to take here, just P I'm taking. P I'm taking within the paragraph, just line height, sir, I'm taking, sir, 1.5. Line height I'm taking 1.5, sir. Then automatically, can you please observe that? A bit. Do you know line height is more? Suppose instead of 1.5, 3.5 I'm taking, sir. 3.5. Oh, more gap between the lines. Are you getting right? More gap between the lines. This property is nothing but one line height. Okay, the distance, the space between two lines, the space between two lines is nothing but line height, right? Okay, last property, I mean text align. So text align. What is the meaning of text align, sir? You know alignment. Is it left alignment, center alignment? Okay, like this, right? Sir, now within the paragraph, text align. Text align. Sir, what are various values? Values? Left, right, inherit. Left, right, inherit. Center, like we have left alignment, right alignment, like this, right? Okay. Now I want to take center. Center alignment. Then automatically, let me take, sir, center alignment by default is coming. Are you getting? This is the center alignment, right? Sir, I want right alignment because default already left. We know default already left. We know. Have you observed? Right alignment. Now you can able to see, right? Right alignment. It's always the data is always right alignment, right? Okay, like this you should aware. Next, this is nothing but alignment. Okay, the allowed values are left, right, center, and then justify. These are the allowed values, right? Next, this one is a bit new for most of the people. Sir, last one. What is the last one? Can you please observe? Font family we covered, font size we covered, height we covered, weight we covered, height we covered, alignment also we discussed. Text decoration. Text decoration. It is a very important property, sir. Sir, what is the meaning of text decoration? Sometimes, do you know, for my text, I want underline. Or otherwise, just can you please strike that line? Can you please strike that line? Okay, like I want something like. How you can able to do that? Just observe that P text decoration. Okay, I'm taking, sir, decoration. What are various values? Can you please observe? Line through, overline, underline. Are you getting? Line through, overline, underline. If I can take underline, If I can take underline, sir, total text in the paragraph, underline by default will come, sir. Total text in the paragraph, underline by default is going to come. Can you please observe? Underline is coming or not? Yes, total text in the paragraph, underline is going to come. Sir, if I can take, instead of underline, overline is also there. Overline is also there. Overline means instead of underline, at the top, for every line at the top, by default it's going to come, sir. Okay. Now have a look once. Overline. Overline means at the top, for every line at the top, one line is going to come. Next, sir, there is one more thing is there, sir. Line through. Line through. What it means, right? Line through. What it means, sir. Suppose I want to take this one for span tag. Already there, sir. For the span tag, I want to take. What is the meaning of that line through? Can you please observe? Can you please observe that? Wherever span tag is there, it is just a strike that line. Are you getting right? Line through means, have you observed right? Just a strike that line. Okay. For that purpose, we are going to use line through. Line through means what? Strike. Underline, overline, and strike through. That's all. Maybe Swarup inheritance is there. What it means? I never used, man. For every property, it is asking about inheritance. Maybe inherit like this. What it is going to take? Nothing. Means from the parent, whatever parent is there, can you please consider for the child? Maybe that is the inherit. Inherit. Okay, that's all. This is about the span. Everyone can able to understand? Yes, these are the font related and the text related things. Font and the text related things are these things, right? Okay. Now, what is the next one we have to take? Yeah, for the paragraph, for the P text decoration. Yeah, what I'm taking, sir, for paragraph text decoration is line through. I'm taking line through. I'm taking. Then automatically total paragraph is going to strike. Next, for the what I'm trying to take, span tag. Okay, text decoration I'm taking. Here underline I'm taking. Underline I'm taking, sir. Underline like. Now have a look once. Total paragraph is like this, and here underline, and here underline, something like it's going to come for the like whatever. If I can take inherit, what it means? Yeah, same thing, means a parent. Yes, that's what inherit. Yeah, inherit means please consider from the parent only. That's the meaning of that. Yeah. What is the? That's all. These are various text font and text related tags in our CSS, right? Next, one more small thing, sir. Sir, if you observe which website we are using, cssfontstack.com. Are you getting how many fonts are available? Hardly some 20 or 30 or 40 or 50. Oddly, some within 100 only. All these fonts. No, sir. If I'm going to publish my website, web application, so lakhs of crores of people are going to view. Globally, the people are going to view. This type of more stylish fonts I want. More stylish fonts I want, sir. Then automatically, how you can able to use custom fonts in our CSS. Observe that, sir. I want to use custom fonts in our CSS. Just a matter of few minutes, please observe how to use custom fonts. Custom fonts in CSS, right? So default fonts we covered, CSS fontstack.com, like from there. But how you can able to use, right? Sir, very common. Most of the times we have to select a custom fonts from the Google, sir. Google is already there. Don't worry about that. Sir, HTTP, there is one website is there, fonts.google.com. Fonts.google.com. Just let me open this one. Let me open this fonts.google.com. Or otherwise just open the Google fonts, like you can type. Anyway, it's taking too much time. Am I did any spelling mistake? Okay, Google fonts. Same fonts.google.com. Maybe the site is down. Yes, sir, Shishidhar. I hope it is applicable. Harni. The site is down, it seems. Featured. Can you please share Google Fonts and open Roboto? That is the problem. Okay. Why it's not working here? Link is working. Yeah. Just I'm checking. Why it's not going to work? The same link. One minute, please. So that because there is some process is there. That's why. That's Google Fonts. I hope it's opening. Just I changed my browser. Yeah, good. Yes, have you observed, right? All these are various fonts which are available, sir. Yeah. Unruffle, can you please? What is this font, man? What is this one? I'm saying something like which language? Anyone aware this language? Anyone aware this language? Any of your local language is matched with this? Jilebi language. Okay, well, Hindi anyway, like, sir, these things. Okay, something I want to use. Okay, these fonts are assume assume that this font is something like it is there. Okay, this font I want to use, right? Assume that I want to use this one. These fonts are otherwise written data like this. Okay, here do you know it is the written. It seems to be something like we are writing like this, right? Seems to be. Okay, how you can able to use? Just observe this. Just observe. I will explain the process. Just observe this. Sir, here just click add button. Plus button is there. Plus button is there for every font. Add this button. So select. Now one family selected. Just click that. Now what you have to do? You require to take two activities. Activity number 1, you have to add this one in our HTML. Activity number 2, you have to define that in the CSS file. Are you getting? So first one, sir, let me copy, and I have to add where, sir, I require to add in the HTML. I require to add. Observe this. In the HTML, I added this link. Next and after that, second one, sir, font family. Where I have to specify this one? In the CSS, I require to add. In the CSS, okay, font family, just I'm adding to the like this. Font family like this, right? 1 minute, yeah. 1 minute, yes. This is the font family I'm taking. Now that's all like this. Have a look once. If I can go for my demo data like this, automatically, have you observed, right? This is something like okay, that is written like it's going to come. Assume that this is something like that. Suppose I don't want this font. I don't want this font, sir. Let me go for some other things. This one seems to be too good. Let me take this, sir. Just added like this. Two families selected. Okay, no problem at all. let me add this one in our HTML. 1 minute, man. I didn't save this. 1 minute, 1 minute. This is actually, are you able to see, right? Something like written, something like written document, something like we are getting. Now let me add this style, sir. This style. I want to add this one. Okay. Now just copy in the HTML, replace that link, replace that. Next, sir, font family, second font family, just we are adding. Now CSS font family, second one, let me add. Yes, observe a bit carefully. Now this is something like, are you able to get? So custom fonts from the Google also we can able to add. This is the process, right? So like based on your requirement, any font you can able to select, sir. Any font you can able to select. Sir, thousands, hundreds of fonts by default available. Are you getting that? Any font you can able to select, process is always same. So need not be we required to satisfy just here. Have you observed this font is too good? Just observe this. This font is something like, or otherwise, yes, this font is something like, okay, something like sign. Add like, yes, select this one. Add to the HTML. Add to the HTML. Link just I'm adding to the HTML. Next, after that, add last font, because in the demo.css, that's all. Process is always same, no difference at all. Now observe that. Now observe, this is something like this. Okay, font size you can increase, no problem at all, sir. Sir, what I want to take in the CSS, font size I'm taking, font size just I'm taking, sir, some 30 pixels I'm taking, sir. Yes, I will look once. Then, sir, very clear. Are you getting? These type of things are available. Yes, sir, these type of things are available. Like, clear, right? Yeah, Malaya, you are asking something. Customize some tag available after clicked on plus, then open selected family. What is that? If the internet not there, then these fonts will work or not. Mostly these fonts are not going to work, Sunny. Internet must be compulsory required, because that link is pointing to internet only, right? Can you please observe that? That link is pointing to internet. In our HTML, if you consider that link, every time whenever we are using, it is going to that. But there is a, if we install that font in our local machine, then definitely it is going to work. Don't worry. Malaya, what you are asking something? Just observe that. Let me select some again. Let me select the fonts again. Here, just the fonts.google.com. Just observe that. Fonts.google.com. Sir, if any person having the doubt, can you please observe that? Yes, here plus a symbol we require to click. Plus a symbol we require. Sir, assume that this one I want plus a symbol. If I choose plus symbol, here at the bottom one family selected, just click that, then automatically, yes, add this one to the HTML, add this one to the CSS file. That's all. Okay. Customize. Customize here, correct. Here embed you are selecting, right? Customize. Now observe that, sir, regular 400. Suppose here black italic you require. Are getting black italic you require? Then you can able to select medium like this, right? Load time, moderate, light means here. Have you observed? You can able to customize that font also with the thickness, light, something like that. That is what customize. Yeah. just for look and feel purpose only, Swarup. Why custom fonts are required? Just for look and feel purpose. Beyond that, nothing.